So having troubles with my hot water cylinder as well, so that's on the side here. It's in there. Flame's not lighting, it's not lighting the burner. So it's either the actuator or the relay or something like that that's turning the gas on and off, or it's either maybe the sensor on the burner that's not sensing that the flame's turned on, and it shuts it off so the gas doesn't keep coming out. But that's, yeah, I don't know what to do about that. There's a fucking noisy little bastard of a bird up there. Good grief. Check my beehive out. Oh no, there's wasps again. I have to kill wasps every so often down here. I go on a wasp killing missions. That's my wasp trap that I used the other day. Lasts for about 3 days. Also got my yellow guavas here. Just beautiful. Got red ones here too. Bees are pollinating them hard. Oh, come on, brother. Busy little hive though. Shame about the bloody wasps getting in there though. That bird's still going on. You know why? I reckon there's a cat around here. We'll have a look. Well guys, why I brought you out here today anyway. Got a new project for the channel. Just going to be a little bit of an unboxing here. So come with me and we'll check out what it is. It's going to be cool. Okay guys, let's get into it. Cut this baby open. Rid of that. Very professional. Very professional. Not just some hacky box you get from China. It's actually, you know, installation. Me. That's my invoice. Then I've got my instruction manual just here, I suppose. Yep. Okay. Let's have a look what we got in here, guys. Which one should we do first? We'll do this big box first, eh? We'll move this over here. Holy shit, balls. Look at that, guys. Mountain bike motor kit. Whoo! This is gonna be fun. Now that's the petrol tank, I presume. I got the upgraded kit, so there's the throttle kit. petrol flap, petrol cap, spark plug, a few brackets, spark plug tool, bit of petrol tube, fuel tube, I've got the petcock, the old petcock in there, a few springs, they must be for the accelerator. Oh, now we get to the good part. Check this out, guys. Check this out. Holy moly. Look at that. This is a 70cc motorbike engine for a mountain bike. I don't have the mountain bike yet, but that'll be a work in progress. Rear sprocket. Rear sprocket mounting kit. That's pretty cool. Okay guys, so we've got the petrol tank, we've got the bits, the throttle, the engine, the bike wheel mounting part. Oh, look at this. See, I got an upgraded carburetor for this one. So if you use an upgraded carb, and you can get all parts. I can get all the parts of this too, so it's not just something that you can't buy, you know. Look at that. Racer. Now we're talking, team. We've got the carburetor on there. Let's go about 60 kilometers an hour, it should, hopefully. What else we got here? Oh, we've got the ignition system, the coil, spark plug, handle grips, chain guard, clutch lever, chain, heavy duty, chain tensioner, exhaust mount, and the exhaust. Got the chrome one. They normally come with a little bit different exhaust than this, but I got a little step up. So that should look pretty cool, I think. And that comes down there. It'll come down like that, I think. Yeah, guys. So this is the whole kit here, guys, and this is insane. I got this whole kit for 200, pretty much 200 bucks, and you can get one of these kits. It's insane. You can get all the parts, all the bits and pieces. It was a little bit of a trick putting it together, but hey, that's the project that we're going to be we're doing, and who knows, it might, if it's good enough, we might keep it or sell it. We'll see how we go. Just a good little project for the channel that I thought that we could do. It's quite cheap and easy and fun, and a couple of my mates might get a couple as well, so hopefully if they do, we can have a bit of a mission on them, and then we'll do some videos on going on some missions. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I really appreciate it, and look forward to doing this video when we got the bike. Thanks. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Ka kite, my friends.